Presto 6-quart stainless steel pressure cooker for fabulous food, quick and easy. Let's take a look at this extraordinary pan. The pressure cooker is really a saucepan with a special cover that delivers moist, superheated temperatures to cook foods 3 to 10 times faster than ordinary cooking methods, saving time, energy, and money. The pressure cooker's moist heat and speed also help to tenderize economical cuts of meat for quick, money-saving meals. A convenient helper handle makes it easy to carry. This 6-quart Presto pressure cooker is made of quality stainless steel, while its base is a special tri-clad material that has superior conducting properties, ensuring quick and even heating. The versatile cooking rack also lets you cook several foods at once with no intermingling of flavors and colors. Make hearty soups, prepare savory chicken dishes, as well as beef and pork roasts, poach fish, steam vegetables and rice, and even make delicious desserts with the easy-to-follow 64-page recipe and instruction book. Pressure cooking is the smart choice for making healthy, flavorful meals, fast and easy. The Presto stainless steel pressure cooker works on both regular and smooth top ranges. The cover lock indicator shows when there is pressure inside the cooker and prevents the cover from being opened until pressure is safely reduced. The pressure regulator maintains the proper cooking pressure automatically and gives an audible indication that the pressure cooker is working properly. You'll save time, save money, and cook fantastic meals. Presto pressure cookers are made to last with an extended 12-year limited warranty. The Presto 6-quart stainless steel pressure cooker. Get one today.
One appliance, 5 ways to cook. From Crock-Pot, the leading slow cooker brand, comes a versatile multi-cooker to make it easier than ever for you to prepare whatever's on the menu. Brown and saute, slow cook, roast, bake, and steam. Plus, effortlessly switch from one function to another at the touch of a button for recipes that require multi-step cooking. Like when preparing a delicious braised chicken dinner, you can first brown, then slow cook until tender and flavorful. The steam function ensures tasty, mouth-watering results for a variety of foods, from succulent shrimp cocktail to a healthy side of steamed asparagus. Baked breads and cakes turn out moist and delicious. Just set to the temperature your recipe calls for, up to 450 degrees. With the Crock-Pot multi-cooker, roasts are always cooked perfectly tender and juicy for every day or special occasion meals. Enjoy simple, mistake-proof cooking with convenient digital display and one-touch controls. Plus, the 6-quart nonstick inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe to make cleanup easy. The Crock-Pot multi-cooker is so versatile. One appliance, 5 ways to cook.